Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing a video of my Bath & Body Works shower gel collection. So we're going to start from the beginning. I have these in alphabetical order. I have both regular and aromatherapy, signature and classics. So we'll start with Black Currant Vanilla in aromatherapy. It's a very romantic smell. I just have it in the travel size. I don't like it as much as Jasmine Vanilla. Jasmine Vanilla is beautiful. This one it's okay. Next, as you can see, we have Black Raspberry Vanilla in the original size, the big size. Black Raspberry Vanilla is good, but to me it smells like Swedish Fish. You know that candy? It's kind of chewy, kind of gooey, but totally delicious. That's what Black Raspberry Vanilla smells like to me. Next, we have Cherry Blossom and Cotton Blossom. Cherry Blossom, it's a very romantic scent, which even though it is an absolute favorite of many Bath & Body Works shoppers, I've only recently discovered it myself. It has a very floral, very girly scent, so I would call it romantic as well. Cotton Blossom is a classic, and as you can see, I have it in the classic bottle because I had to order it. I got it at the semi-annual sale, and I got another one of them too. I have a second. Cotton Blossom is wonderful because you can smell the cotton in it, and you can smell the orange as well, and that's wonderful. I had Sea Island Cotton a while back too. That was pretty good. No big deal though. Next, you have Dancing Waters. Dancing Waters is arguably my favorite next to the one that is next to it. Dancing Waters is such a clean scent, and I love clean scents because I live with two smokers, so I love smelling as clean as possible. Which brings us to our next point. Deep Aqua. Need I say more? If you can go to an outlet store, I recommend you highly go pick this up, because it just reminds you of being in Florida or being somewhere tropical and wonderful and yummy. So go pick that up. It's a nice summery scent, but it can be used all year round to keep you nice and clean smelling. Okay. Moving on, we have one of my favorite aromatherapy scents. Don't know if it'll focus, but it is Eucalyptus Spearmint, and again I have it in the travel size. Love it on my skin as a lotion, love it in the air freshener that I have on, love it as a spray, do not love it so much in the shower gel. Go figure. Irresistible Apple is next, and I wasn't really digging Irresistible Apple. I would rate it like a 7 out of 10, but as a spray it's magnificent, and I'll do another video on sprays and lotions later. Irresistible Apple, it's good. It smells like a Red Delicious apple. So if you like Red Delicious, there's nothing wrong with that. Next we have two more aromatherapies. We have Lavender Vanilla and Mandarin Lime. I haven't really used a lot of these yet, so I don't know if they're any good. I used Orange Ginger, which we'll be coming up on in a minute. That's pretty good, no big deal. So I like Lavender Vanilla in the lotion. That helps me sleep. And I have smelled the Mandarin Lime, and it is literally lime and orange. There's no argument about that. Moonlight Magic, wonderful scent. I hadn't used it yet, but then Secret Wonderland came out, so I didn't have to. Ha ha ha, it's all the same. Midnight Pomegranate, what a wonderful scent. Great as a spray, alright as a lotion, and alright as a shower gel. It's just okay for some reason. Maybe I have an old bottle. I don't know. Maybe it's not that great. Orange Ginger is next, aromatherapy travel size, and I used it the other day. I thought it was very good. It was a calming way to start the day, but yet still woke you up, if that makes any sense. Finally, we'll finish off with a classic, Sheer Freesia. What a romantic girly scent. I prefer this in the spray though. And that's okay. I have an extra one of these somewhere, I think. Sheer Freesia, very good. I got this on behalf of Twilight, so there you go. You see a glare here, but obviously you can tell that that is Sweet Pea next to it. Sweet Pea is very good. I haven't used it yet. I know everyone's loved this scent for like 100 years. I've just kind of discovered it myself, and think it's very girly and very pretty, and I'm looking forward to using it. Wild Honeysuckle, finally. I have not used it as a shower gel yet. I have it in the spray and the lotion as well, and I must say, the spray is incredible. It's just magnificent. It's feminine and girly and fun, and yet so like everyday wear. But oh God, you can't really put a limit on when to use it and when not to. But thank you very much for your time today. This has been my Bath & Body Works shower gel collection. I also have sprays and lotions, which I will be doing. So there you go. Have a great day. Smell good.